If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Perfectionist, aka Lupus Warrior, aka Strange Shoulder, aka whatever you want me to do. I can't think of anything else. And today, we're going to be reacting to trick shots. Let's go. No. Let's jump into the video. Let's get it.
Oh, she's humming.
You know, I actually saw a post on Facebook about this, that they were doing the same thing with an air compressor, and they were spinning and spinning and spinning, and one of the metal bearings in the inside actually came out and hit a child in their face and split their lip. So that's actually, he's lucky that didn't happen to him, or a lot of people are lucky.
She's ready to let loose. This is the spin bender shot.
Dang, that's lit. It's like the ultimate Beyblade.
Dude, perfect. What's up, guys? We're Dude Perfect. Welcome to Fidget Spinner Trick Shots. Here we go!
I could do that. Oh. He threw it.
This is the spinning
my shoulder.
sticker.
I'm done.
She's stuck, baby! Woohoo!
I did it, yeah. Yeah, sit down and watch it, like.
The long blue weird one versus the dollar sign.
Yeah, it's like Beyblade battles. Say that 5 times fast. Beyblade battles. Beyblade. I can't say it. Hey, that's a snitch from Harry Potter. That's lit. I want one of those.
Fight.
Yeah!
TKO.
The snitch is victorious! This is the spinning bounce to a buddy shot.
Bouncing it. What the freak? The stuff these guys come up with are perfect. Hey, do it again. Tink. Ultimate beer pong challenge. Wonder how many they've had. Bro, they're so lucky. None of them have messed up. That's so cool.
This is the blow dart spin shot.
What are they about to do? Wait, no freaking way. Are you serious? What? Come on now. Come on now. That's crazy. I could let alone do it one time.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 10 spin tower. Gotta start with a solid foundation. Ah, the golden beauty. And of course, to finish it off, the purple hoser. Ladies and gentlemen, the 10 spin tower. What a view!
That's cool. I gotta try that.
This is the super speed
I'ma get it.
spinning spinner, strike, slam, and smash.
Yeah, put me on Dude Perfect. Oh my goodness.
I'd say we call that good.
Bang! Strike! Bang! Oh boy, that's that. That's that Wii Sports.
Indian style too long. Use one of these to clean out your pits.
That's nasty. That's nasty.
This is the Ninja Star Skeet Smasher.
Skeet Smasher. Pause.
The golden beauty.
Oh, round 2.
Versus the dance party. Fight. See ya! Off the table. Ninja Star of Catastrophe versus DP. 3-hour minimum spin time. Only if you set it next to an aircraft. Fight!
That's cool that they have their own fidget spinner. It's really cool.
Get that weak stuff
It's funny because it's like the perfect like symbols as well.
This is the twin toss.
They should have thrown two to each other at the same time. Next video.
Got a little game for you guys. Comment below and let us know, is this really the low to high or the high to low? Here we go.
Mind blown. Yo, what's so free?
Experienced ninjas only.
That is crazy.
This is the kick spin. Core, launch me. Gotcha.
Don't be scared, it's a part of life. I don't care if we run.
He's gonna throw it. Oh.
You and me, we never have to.
This is the Ninja Star Balcony Bottle Blaster.
So that, what the?
The bottle got blasted.
I wish I had enough time to do this stuff.
This is the super tall transfer toss. Coming up, Core. Send it.
Send it. I'll spin this on my finger for the whole rest of the video. Watch it. Put me on Do Perfect. Guinness World Record, longest spin on a finger. By someone done with a strained shoulder.
What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. If you're not already a Dude Perfect subscriber, make sure you click down here because you don't want to miss our next video. Stereotypes. It's
My own
gonna
air
be-
compressor.
Also, if you want your very own DP spinner, click over here. And if you want to see the
They
last
better-
video, click over here.
It better be no
Sign
more
up
than
for
like
now.
15
Spin
bucks.
it and buy it. No, I'm just kidding. You can if you want. We're kind of over it. Pound it, dog. See
Look at
ya!
that, still spinning. Shh, crazy. But yeah, Do Perfect. You guys are amazing. I love all your videos. Like, I'm pretty sure every kid grew up recording themselves trying to throw a basketball in a hoop from like full court or across the yard, or football into a trash can, or baseball into through a tie or something. Everyone grew up doing that. So yeah, Do Perfect, you're amazing, and especially now you guys made a fidget spinner trick shot. That's amazing. That's awesome. Pretty sure this video is already gone viral. Actually, it did have like 15 million views, 60 million views. So yeah, they got it down pat. You know, I mean, in my book, Fantasy Factor is still better. But Do Perfect, you got me on this one. So you already know. Without further ado, it's your boy, Mr. Perfectionist, aka Strained Shoulder, and we signing out. Let's get it. And I told y'all I'll be back on my grind today. Told y'all.